So good afternoon, all. This is Nikhil Shah from Linde Engineering India. Today, I just want to share our experience with Trimble and how we implemented Trimble software in Linde work environment. I will just share my screen. Okay, so for my organization, Linde Engineering India, this Tekla platform is one way it is new to us because we more or less work with plant design software like PDS, Smart Plant 3D, Aveva E3D, and all those kind of software. But we want to explore this new software. First, I will go with my introduction part. So my name is Nikhil Kumar Shah. I am working in Linde Engineering as a senior principal design supervisor. By qualification, I have done my bachelor's degree in civil engineering in year 1996. I have started my career journey working on platforms like MicroStation and AutoCAD 3D in that era. During my 11 years working with Linde and total 25 years of industry experience, I have learned and work on many plant design software such as PDS, PDMS, AutoCAD Plant 3D, Smart Plant 3D, Aveva E3D, and I think the latest into this learning and working is the Tekla structure. During 25 years of my career, I work in different countries like India, Canada, Germany, with many renowned multinational companies who are working mainly in plant design softwares and oil and gas industry. So I learned a lot over there, different working culture, like how people react in different countries. So that helped me a lot when I work in different company. As I mentioned, that I mainly work in oil and gas industry, and I work on ethylene crackers, polypropylene plants, LNG process plants. My hobbies include learning new things, listening to music, and also reading. Basic introduction of my organization. I am proud to be a member of Linde PLC, and Linde is a leading industrial gas and energy company, and we are doing engineering for the gas plants also. Linde has critical project execution knowledge in diverse geographic. We work on most of the country, many countries. So our presence are in 100+ countries where we have executed our plants. We have total employee strength of around 80,000 plus members in this Linde PLC. We have around 2 million customers, and those are happy customers, and we own 6,500 plus active patents. Moving to Linde Engineering. So Linde Engineering is the subsidiary of the gases division of Linde. And it has also have a presence in 100+ country worldwide. We have in engineering, we have employee strength of 7,500 employees. Linde Engineering have a unique setup for project execution starting from the feed stage to the detail engineering in every aspect like engineering, procurement, construction. We have completed 4,600 plus plants worldwide, and we also, Linde Engineering also have a 1,400 process engineering patents. So this is my home. This is Linde Engineering India. Linde Engineering India is fully owned subsidiary of Linde Engineering, which is established in 1987, which is located in Vadodara, Gujarat, and we have around 1,200 employees. Our major project portfolio consists of local project, regional means India and Southeast Asia project. Also, we work on the global project on a work share basis. Our key enablers for our success of global work share model is that we work on a common processes, we work on the basic standards, we work on the tool landscape. So all these, we work on the common platform. If you work on any of our subsidiary, those processes, standards, and landscapes are always remain same. Inside Linde Engineering India, civil structural department have strength of around 200 employees and is one of the largest execution hub for civil and structural engineering within Linde. And our core function area includes, we work on the conceptual design plants, we work on detail design plant, which include the static calculation, modeling, general arrangement drawing for structural steel and concrete. We also review the fabrication model and drawings prepared by externals to serve the construction sites. Just to share with you the basic execution philosophy, because of this engineering process or typical execution process, I just want to share over here. So we have different subsidiaries in Munich, that is LEHQ. We have subsidiary in Dresden, that is we have in Germany. We have subsidiary in Russia, America, and also in Linde Engineering India. So whenever we receive any prestigious project from the owner, we usually work on the conceptual design, basic design. We set up the 3D CAD model, and we follow the procedure based on the owner's requirement. We present them the 30% of the model for review. Usually, after 30% review, most of the engineering work will be transferred to Linde Engineering India office to do the detailed design of that particular project. Over here, all the another discipline, like all the disciplines like process technology, electrical, plant components, piping, instrumentation, civil structural, all these discipline involved, and they develop the 3D model. So our general workflow or general working is always move around one common 3D model, where each discipline develop their model, and another discipline, they go with the interdisciplinary check and their requirements. So after 30%, we develop our model based on interdisciplinary development. We present the model in 60 and further to 90% design review to the owner. We always get their comments or their suggestions for the plant improvement, which we implement in the change management. Whatever document for the plant component we develop, we usually provide them to the global procurement vendor. So they prepare the equipment which is required for the plant design. Based on the project unique setup, we also send or we appoint subcontractors or for development of the general arrangement drawings. During this phase of the project, we also do the design changes, because like if there are any data change from the another discipline or from the vendor side, we try to implement them into our 3D model. And after all this implementation, we usually do the output document in form of a construction drawing or MTO, which will be further provided to our client construction team, or in case if we have to give it to fabricator for fabrication, that we will do. So this is the typical workflow where all the disciplines are working together to build one plant. In this workflow, we usually try to make sure that we always follow one standard procedure, and if multiple offices are involved, then all the offices work with the same process, same standards, to avoid any later stage changes. Now, this is part like how Linde perform. And now I just want to share with you the current plant which we are working on with the Tekla structures. So this is the largest mega ethylene cracker plant which we are working right now in Russian region. So this plant have structural steel quantity of around 62,000 metric ton. and concrete quantity of 254,000 meter cube. Currently on this project from civil structural group itself, 85 team members are working. For this project from the owner side who own this plant, they have proposed to work the AVEVA E3D as the base platform because it has the capability of multidisciplinary interface and workflow. But considering as we have the knowledge that Tekla has capability to do the interoperability tool between AVEVA E3D and Tekla, and that will be a automated batch process kind of utilities are available. We have experimented starting with a few structures, and then we get the desired result, and that's why we have implemented Tekla on this project. Another reason to choose Tekla is our external partners who are doing the subsequent engineering like fabrication, drawing, preparation, and all that. They are using Tekla structures. So this will help us also in the way that like we can seamlessly transfer our model to them, and they don't have to start from the scratch for model preparation. So they can work on our model, and it will be a no communication gap, and it will be a time saving. So this is the typical workflow which we implemented in Linde Engineering for the project which I have highlighted. So usually on for civil and structure, that is concrete and steel model, we do everything in Tekla structures itself. During night time, we with use of Beam Publisher, we export 430 structural steel model, and the data comprise of around 1.5 GB data, which will be transferred into a common server location in a TC zip format, which is the format developed by Trimble. So we convert all the structural steel model, we store them in one common location. We use Tekla interoperability tool to further publish or import those model into AVEVA E3D. This is required because all another discipline like electrical, piping, process, equipment department, they are working in AVEVA E3D. So they require this model daily to develop their design further. At the same time, civil structural discipline also required another discipline models for doing the piping supports or equipment supports and all that. So every day during the auto batch in the night time, we export 650 other discipline models daily. The data comprise of around 8.5 GB, and we store them in one common location. So from that one common location, based on the requirement of civil and structural team member, they reference the TCZIP file into Tekla of another discipline for their design development. So all this process happened every day during the night time without any human intervention. Every day this is running seamlessly. Currently we have executed 60% model review of this particular prestigious plant, and our owner is very happy with the progress what we have received. So just to give you the pictures of what typical structure look like into this interface. So this is a Tekla model where you see that there is a concrete and steel structure model in Tekla. We have referenced this in the last slide. I have showed the workflow from common location. We have referenced the structural steel. With structural steel, we have referenced the piping equipment and another discipline file, electrical cable trays and all that for our civil and structural model development. So this is the similar picture, but the platform has been changed over here. So over here, the platform is AVEVA E3D. And over here, the another discipline model are the live model, and we bring in the nighttime structural steel model into AVEVA E3D. This is Tekla modeled structure, which is further bring into AVEVA E3D. The good thing about the interoperability tool developed by Trimble is so fantastic that all this model, structural steel model, which is bring into AVEVA E3D, it's a live native model. If in future, if owner want to change into AVEVA E3D, this all the elements are native elements and they can do the changes. So basic benefits, which we, as I mentioned at the starting, we have worked with the fabricator or our subcontractor. They always work with Tekla as a tool for fabrication drawing preparation. But as a process company or a process engineering company, we are a little bit new to Tekla. So definitely we want to make sure that we get enough benefits when we switch our default CAD platform. The basic benefit which we achieved so far is that we get better interface with our external partner companies who are working for the detail engineering part, who are doing the fabrication model and all that. As there is one seamless model, it will be always easy for us to work on. Tekla definitely have high functionality and enhanced efficiency for modeling and the drawing task. There is huge customization possibility and it's an open source. So we can, you choose it and you can do the customization. There are also easy connection and modeling, also interoperability with the connection design software such as Limcon, IdeaStatica. It's working fantastically. Tekla also well known for its MTO control and also the change management. So we derive a lot of benefits over here. Easier resource availability in local market, and not to miss out the great Trimble support for troubleshooting, customization, and open source utility. Future plan, we want to, currently we are working with AVEVA E3D and Tekla interoperability. We are also planning to develop a smooth interoperability with Intergraph SmartPlan 3D for large size project, which we are currently expect. It's already on the bucket. So over there also we want to go with this kind of workflow, the seamless workflow of interoperability. We also want to implement Tekla in civil, that means concrete, underground, and infrastructure design. Workshare with external or partner or detailer on common model platform. As I mentioned, we just want to work on only one model and through cloud technology, and establish also a long-term relationship with prospective detailer firm for workshop engineering. Considering the size of the project which we are handling, we definitely look for the long-term relationship with the detailing firm for the workshop engineering. That's mainly all from my side. I thank you all for your kind attention, and I thank you my organization and also Trimble to provide me this opportunity to share my experience with Trimble. Thank you.